reason for a bit, right? Now, you see, if you're gonna do anything and you're not sure about it, keep your mouth closed. You don't need to tell nobody, you don't need to tell your brother, your sister, your uncle, and your niece, or your best friend, nothing. Once you're not sure about the outcome, keep your mouth closed. Because a lot of times, we tell person that, hey, we're gonna go foreign, we're gonna start a business, we're gonna do this, and it don't come true. And we know, and you're supposed to know, so it not feel good when we tell people, say, yo, we're going to do this and it just not come true. So if we didn't keep your mouth closed and then in the long run it never run through, or it never come true, we wouldn't feel so bad. You understand? Now when we keep your mouth closed and it do come true, we can say, yo, hey, this is what's happening, and them can see it for themselves and them can say, yo. But it's like, so for instance, like a girl like me, we have multiple business idea and we say, yo, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, we're gonna do that, right? And it don't come true. Your friend must say, look at you and say, every minute she come with a new idea and nothing now come true. You understand what I mean? But just keep your mouth closed the way I have to do, because a lot of times we have plans and that's not what God wants for us, you know. And even though we're looking down that line, God is looking at looking somewhere else, right? And if we say we are going to do this, God knows why if we do this, He can detour you, right? But other people are going to look at you and say, yo, she do attack and she not make no move. Never know, say, yo, it's not your season as yet, or it's not time for you to flourish now when God wants you to do. You understand? So keep your mouth closed, right? And then the only time you're supposed to open your mouth is when the thing come to fruition. You understand? Because you have a lot of person out there just want to see your downfall, right? They want to hear your next move so that them can work on it and ensure, say, you know, come true, like pray bad prayer against it. Yes, we have people like that out there. So keep your mouth closed and do what you have to do. Period.